All right, students, new lesson. I'm really excited. This is one of my favorite things to do is line as value. Um, so in your worksheets, you're going to be doing a gradation. I just wanted to show you kind of what I'm looking for in the first two worksheets before we get into that. But you are going to create a line as value scale. So I want to see that you're going from light to dark. Okay. This is an example of cross-hatching, and this is an example of scribbling. But you can see it's definitely a value scale because you can see how it's going dark to light. This is very easy. The reason why you're using a pen is because I don't want any erasing. You're not doing this really by the pressure of your pen. Sometimes that's coming in, and I'll do a demo. But it's really about the amount of line that you have and how much white space you have. Okay, it's a little tricky and it's a little intimidating, but the materials that we are going to use are pen, just a pen. I know you're scared already. Don't worry. You can draw your messy sketch and clean it up with a pencil, but all of the line and all of the shading will be from your pen. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, really, it's fun. Trust me. Okay, this locking system. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Out of lock. The second worksheet is all about how do you handle shading for a sphere. All of you know how to do both these things with a pencil. Now it's all about using a pen, being comfortable with the pen, and being comfortable with how to get value. It's not a trick. You're going to have fun. Okay, so now you know where we're going. Something that's different is that we have a student learning guide this time. This is brand new, so just want to go over this just a little bit. I expect you to read these, all of it, both pages down to here, because I'm going to talk a little bit about it during class. But first thing I want you to see is that you have all of these tasks. There are going to be 3 different videos for you to watch. You also can see that for each task, there's 7. You are going to need my signature before you can move on to the next step. All right, okay. So this allows us to have a conversation and see how you're doing, and you can ask me for questions and stuff. So this is, no worries, it seems like a lot, but it's really not. It's gonna be good. I also expect you to understand the rubric so that you know what I am looking for in the end product. The following student examples are a great way for you to see craftsmanship and a great attention to line as value using all of the values on the value scale. I want you to notice in the darkest areas, I want you to try to really look for the amount of line that is needed. Likewise, in the lighter areas, I want you to really look and try to find and see the amount of line that is needed there. I tried to zoom into some of these so that you could really look at how they pop the shadows and the highlights. You really need to think of an idea that will work well and have value for your final project.